Hi guys, it's Leah Love, and I know it doesn't really look I don't look familiar, but if you don't know, I had a makeover, and I love this new outfit. So this is the outfit I'm gonna wear for the rest of the rest of my life. But I love the blue hair. And I have no more Enderman in my back. If you want me to show you, I have no more Enderman. So here is a quick peek of my back. Okay, guys. So basically, this is how my back looks like. I have no more hoodie. I have long hair, and this is my hair straight now. Wait, I don't know if it's straight. So guys, this is my new style. I hope you like it. So what I'm gonna show you is basically what I want to show you is a tour of my house, my new house. That's the balcony there. And I hope you like the tour of my house. So let's get started with the tour of my. Oopsie. Let's get started with the tour of my house. Yay! Okay, so let's get up there to my house. Okay. So, I use this type of, let's start from here. Okay. So here I don't really decorate here. Here's supposed to be the dance area when I have parties here. I do dancing, and when you go in here, that door. Basically, when we go inside of here, we have a chair here. Well, I know how to make it, and I would like to show you how I made it. Well, it's actually a minecart, and basically there's something under it, so that's why that's why I can sit on it. There's a track there. Okay, so in the chest, there's some food. I have a fan, so there's a crafting table, and up here, I never showed, I never any grass. I have some plants, and basically, I grow some plants too. So I grew all of this. And here is where I have cows. So I have so much cows. Sorry. I don't know if you guys can name this. This one's Abby. This one's Olivia. This one's Leah. And Leah always kind of staying at the door. So that's that. And my house. Okay. So my house is not really that big. Okay, let's go upstairs. So that's my room. I'll show that later. There's a little coffee table with coffee. Sometimes some people visit sometimes. So that's why I have this coffee table for drinks and coffee. And here is a little area we can sit in. Let me just try to sit up there. What's up there? Ooh. I can't sit up there. Let me try breaking that. What can I do? Sorry guys. What can I do? What can I do here? Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let me get some birch. Okay, there and there. Okay, probably that will work. No, that's not working either. So let's just I don't know why, guys. So you guys know how to work this, please tell me how, because I can't get this to go here. I know I'm not beautiful from the balcony. Okay, let me just get there. So, you can tell me how to work this, because I'm not really sure how to. Please leave in the comments, to tell me if you do know how to or you don't. It's fine for me. Okay, so let's just bake this. I can show you the top. So the top is just normal plain. I just have that. Oh, because I didn't do that. Okay, there. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, let's just with that. Oh no. Yep, we were just doing it right. Okay. Let's just put that here. So let's just try to get there. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is basically my balcony. 2 chairs, 2 people hang out, and now it's time for my room. Okay. So this is a TV with a little couch where my friends can hang out with me. I always press quality because it's in my room. And here's my bed. It's like I have a blue blanket, and have glowstone there, and glowstone paper bookshelf around it. And basically, that's everything in my house. I hope you like the whole thing. And please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you like it or not. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!